All right, guys, so by the time you see this part, we've already spent, what, 8 hours here? Actually longer than 8 hours here at APD. So we're finishing up for today. Today is, what, Saturday. So we're going to be back here tomorrow at 7 a.m. to finish this port job. So the guy that's doing the videography right now is John. So that's how Darin and I can talk to you. So why don't you take a peek here, John, at your new cylinder head that you got cooking. Darin might fill some details in. Sometimes
we're not done yet.
Worth 1,000 words.
Yeah, the problem with looking at stuff like that through a camera is
oh yeah, there you go.
It's really hard to see the shaping, but that's what you can accomplish from basically a raw casting by hand within 8 hours. And I've probably got another 4 in the intake of both those intakes, and another 3 in the exhaust port, and maybe an hour or 2 in a chamber.
You got a 12-hour day off.
Usually I can do a prototype intake exhaust port combustion chamber in about 15 hours.
15 hours. Well, there you go, guys. Appreciate you being here. DragBoss Garage University, DMI, Darin Morgan Inductions. Stay tuned, because you know what? You're always seeing and learning something new at DBGU.